Alright, what is up? Good morning. We have the FRS right here. I don't think you guys ever seen this on the channel, but it's my new FRS. I still have the Sentra over here. If you take a peek, right there, it's still under there. She just covered away. I've got coilovers on this thing and these Koenig SSMs. The whole car's stock, and I have axle back with a resonator delete. It's right there. You guys could see it. It's kind of weird. I'm trying to get used to this head thing, but got the keys right here. Here's the interior. I got some old drinks there. Should probably throw these out. I have oil pressure gauge, tire monitor, pressure sensor, blah blah blah. Go ahead and get a cold start. It's been a minute since I drove this car. Sounds pretty nice. But we are gonna be using AC because I got a dash cam right here as well. Pretty sick. Just close it up. We shall wait for that to drop and we shall get going. You know, I don't even know how any of this is gonna come out, so I might just be yapping, to be honest. A lot of this might even just get cut out, low key. You guys can listen to it. To be honest, my drive with the windows open. Hopefully the wind isn't too loud. I'm taking a big risk here. This car only has 45,000 miles. This is my first POV drive, so I wonder how this is gonna be. I'm also in the dogs, you know, we're just wearing the slides to drive. That's how I always drive, low key. Weather's honestly not too bad today. What does the car say? It says it's 81 out. Cool 81. Yeah. Just listen to the car, man. I don't even know what to say anymore. Get my wallet out. I need to pay for lunch. Car's still cold, so I don't want to be ripping on it. Of course, as always. I got 15% tint all around except the windshield, so I'm hoping that's not too bad. The ride isn't too bad on the coilovers. Everything else is pretty much stock. I'll give it that. That's pretty much it. This car is not meant for Las Vegas. It really needs like the curvy roads to really enjoy and have fun in. I mean, it's a fun car as far as the daily, but it could be so much more fun. I mean, there's some spots here you just gotta drive out. It's not like Los Angeles or something where you just go out and boom, you know, you have your canyons right there already. We got like Mount Charleston and stuff, but that's only during snowboard season, man. I don't even go up there like otherwise. Only time is only when I'm snowboarding. So yeah, check the dash cam right here, bro. Pretty sick, huh? Walmart, $37. All right, I just changed the view mode right now to wide instead of super view, so maybe it's a little better. I hope so. I don't even know, man. We'll see. We're gonna go get Cade's for lunch. That sounds pretty bomb. Do I remember where Cane's is at? No, I do. Roads here in Vegas are getting better, but they still suck, dude. Like, absolutely so bad, especially in certain parts. this part ain't that bad, but when you go more in, oh bro, it gets horrible, dude. I got the what do you call that? Pumpkin patch? Yeah, pumpkin patch. Set it up right there. I really hope this footage comes out really good. Oh my gosh. But yeah, like a car like this, you want the canyons. Like you got this stick and then you got traffic, and you want to do some turning, you know, you want to go side to side, you know. But they do have autocross out here, which I do occasionally. Well, when I mean occasionally, I've only done it once. I've just been busy and I have no money to spend for autocross. Even though it's cheap, it's a really good way to get in. What in the world is this guy doing here? Interesting. It's alright, we'll turn right here. No U-turns, guys. Cane's right here. And we got a lowrider truck right there. Bro, the line better not be long, bro. Okay, it's not horrible. It's doable. It's taking so long, man. You know, I like one thing about this car. This car has a lot of cup holders for how small it is. Swap that one with that one. Thank you so much. Have a good one.
You too, thank you.
Hey, I'll get it going. Sounds so good. Like that heel toe downshift. Haha. Man, I love this car. This car is so easy to heel toe downshift in. I'll give it that. Like going from the Sentra to this car, it is so much more performance oriented. Even though the Sentra has so much torque down low with it being such a bigger motor, this one feels like a lot more driver focused, which is of course the whole goal of this car when they made it. Wait, why is my signal still on? Oh, I love this car though. Just the way you could shift the car. Like, I mean, my Sentra's manual, I daily manual, so like it's like it never gets old for me, at least, especially in this day and age. Like they're just going away. And a lot of people prefer not to drive manual nowadays, which I understand, but it's so fun, dude. It's a different kind of feeling. And on auto, you can't do that. You can't just bang gears like that. You can't just downshift and go like that, you know? I mean, it's easier than auto, but like, or when you have paddles, but it's a different experience, you know? I really hope you can hear me over this freaking wind, dude. Ooh. Yeah, this car's super fun. Hey, they changed the gas into a 76? That's crazy. It used to be like a Sinclair, but now it's a 76. Interesting. This RAV4 is kind of cool. Little overlander. Yeah, that's pretty sick. Wonder if it's the all-wheel drive model. Should be. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Question is, the light, guys. Man, this car is so fun. Like when you get to turn and like really engage with the car, that's what makes this car fun. Obviously in traffic, you don't get any of that. It's boring. Like coming up to this light, you get to downshift, you know. And what car do you get to do that in? A manual car. That's literally the only ever reason you do. This car is a fun daily. It's a nice daily. It's pretty comfortable, especially coming from the Sentra. That thing is straight pipe, front wheel drive. You know, it's 20 years old. Obviously, you're gonna get more comforts in this, but the Sentra's still fun. But I will say, this car is dead between 1 to 4,000. I mean, it's kind of there depending on what gear you're in, but like once you're after 4,000, then it starts to pull. I really want to get that OFT tune, the open flash tablet, if you guys know what I'm talking about. At least stage 1, get rid of the torque dip, the infamous torque dip you guys might know. But I mean, other than that, no other complaints about this car. You always got to make sure, you know, every time. And we got the canes. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. I hope you heard everything that I said. I'm doing random stuff with my hands, but catch you later. Peace.